display type of the smartphone IPS LCD and the refresh rate of the display of the smartphone 19 Hz. The display size of the smartphone 6.6 inch. The screen to body ratio of the display of the smartphone 84.4%. Now I am telling about the resolution of the display of the smartphone 1080 by 2400 pixels. The PPI density of the display of the smartphone 399. The operating system of the smartphone Android 11 MIUI 12.5. The chipset of the smartphone MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G6nm. The CPU of the smartphone octa-core and the GPU of the smartphone Mali G57 MC2. The memory of the smartphone card slot is not available. The internal memory are available of different type of the smartphone 64GB and 128GB. In the RAM are also available a different type of the smartphone 4GB, 6GB and 8GB. The main camera of the smartphone are dual camera 50 megapixel wide camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. The feature of the main camera of the smartphone LED flash HDR in panorama. The video of the main camera of the smartphone 1080p in 30 and 60 fps. The selfie camera of the smartphone is a single camera 16 megapixel wide camera. The feature of the selfie camera of the smartphone HDR. And the video of the selfie camera of the smartphone 1080p in 30 fps. Loudspeaker is available with the stereo speaker in the smartphone, but the 3.5 mm jack is also available in the smartphone. The Wi-Fi of the smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. The Bluetooth of the smartphone 5.1 A2DPLE. GPS is available in the smartphone, but the FM radio is not available in the smartphone. The charging port of the smartphone USB Type-C 2.0 USB undergo. The battery type of the smartphone 5000 mAh battery. Fast charging 33W. The SIM of the smartphone are dual SIM, nano SIM and dual standby. The dust resistance of the smartphone IP53 dust and splashes protection. The 5G technology are available in the smartphone. The launch date of the smartphone 13 November 2021. There are a different prices are available of the smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave a comment and I will try to reply.